Welcome to Money Made Simple. Let's look at Government Employees Pension Fund, or GEPF, one of the largest pension funds in South Africa. If you're a government employee or planning to join the public sector, understanding how the GEPF works is crucial for your financial future. The Government Employees Pension Fund is a defined benefit pension fund established to provide retirement, death, and disability benefits to South African government employees. It's a cornerstone of financial security for public servants, offering a reliable income stream after retirement. Here's how it works. As a government employee, a portion of your salary is contributed to the GEPF every month. Your employer also contributes to the fund on your behalf. These contributions grow over time, and when you retire, you receive a monthly pension based on your final salary and years of service. The GEPF is a defined benefit fund, meaning your payout is calculated using a specific formula. The GEPF offers several benefits. 1. Retirement pension. You'll receive a monthly pension for life after retirement, calculated based on your years of service and final salary. 2. Lump sum payment. At retirement, you'll also receive a tax-free lump sum, which can be a significant financial boost. 3. Death benefits. If you pass away while still employed, your beneficiaries will receive a lump sum and a monthly pension. 4. Disability benefits. If you become permanently disabled, the GEPF provides a disability pension to support you. To benefit from the GEPF, you must be a permanent government employee. Both you and your employer contribute to the fund monthly. Your contribution is typically 7.5% of your pensionable salary, while your employer contributes a larger percentage. It's important to note that the GEPF is only available to government employees. When it comes to retirement, the GEPF offers flexibility. You can retire as early as 55, but your pension will be reduced if you retire before the official retirement age of 60 or 65, depending on your employment terms. If you resign before retirement age, you can either withdraw your contributions or preserve your benefits until retirement. Tax is an important consideration. Your monthly pension is taxable, but your lump sum payment at retirement is tax-free up to a certain limit. Here are a few tips to make the most of your GEPF. 1. Regularly check your GEPF statement to track your contributions and benefits. 2. If you leave government service, consider preserving your benefits instead of withdrawing them. 3. Use the GEPF calculator to estimate your retirement benefits. 4. Consult a financial advisor to understand how the GEPF fits into your overall retirement plan. The Government Employees Pension Fund is a powerful tool for securing your financial future as a public servant. Thanks for tuning in to Money Made Simple. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more financial insights. Until next time, take control of your money and make it work for you.